So let's look at some specific methods related to analytics. If you have a website, one of the easiest ways to actually start generating and recording data is by a product called Google Analytics. It's very straightforward. You create an account using a Google account. There's a little piece of website code that you have to add to your website. And within it, you can actually create different things to help you understand if you're accomplishing things. So for example, they have a concept of a goal that you can create, which is where a specific web page is fired in relationship to maybe a workflow process. The nice thing about Google Analytics is you can actually review the data within the Google Analytics account, and it also even has the ability to create dashboards. But again, this is related specifically to websites. If you're doing paid ads using the Google Ads platform, they actually have a concept of what's called conversion tracking. This is where an ad is clicked and then goes through a process, typically on a website, but it could also be a phone call, that then would be counted as what they consider a conversion. The key to set this up is you actually have to add some code to your website, specific on something like a thank you page. But the really interesting thing, again, because this is a Google platform, you can actually integrate this back with your Google Analytics account because, again, a lot of this information actually occurs within your website. If, on the other hand, you're using Facebook to do ads, they have a concept of what's called the Facebook Pixel. This is actually created in another concept, which is a Facebook Business Manager account. The Pixel is something you put on your website, and it actually then links back to your ad account that you've created in your Facebook Manager account. The code that's put on the website will fire when different actions occur and report that information back to Facebook so that that information can be tracked along with different ads. The power of the Facebook Pixel is the ability to create a number of custom events. These events, when fired, will provide additional data points you can put back into your Facebook Business Manager account.